Welcome to Official Coins. Today, we'll uncover the story of a coin that is far more than just currency. It's a symbol of heritage, history, and identity. We're talking about the 2008 Cyprus 20 euro cent coin, featuring the ancient Kyrenia ship, a piece of maritime history cast in metal. So sit back and join us on this fascinating journey. And if you're new here, challenge, subscribe now. Part 1. The historical background of Cyprus. Cyprus, or Kypros in Greek, is a beautiful island nation nestled between Europe and Asia. Throughout history, Cyprus has been ruled by various civilizations: Phoenicians, Greeks, Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans. Each of these left a deep imprint on the island's culture and identity. In 2008, Cyprus officially adopted the euro as its national currency. That same year, the 20 euro cent coin was released with a deeply meaningful design: the image of the Kyrenia ship, an ancient merchant vessel from the 4th century BC. Part 2. The Voyage of the Kyrenia Ship, 4 to 830. The Kyrenia ship is not just a random design, it's a real piece of ancient history. In 1965, a sponge diver discovered the remains of a 4th century BC Greek ship near the town of Kyrenia in Cyprus. Preserved beneath the sea for over 2,300 years, this ship was filled with cargo, including over 400 ancient wine jars called amphora. Archaeologists believe this ship was a part of Cyprus's maritime trade network, sailing between Greece, the Aegean, and other Mediterranean ports. The ship became a symbol of Cyprus's ancient role in international trade and navigation, and that's why it was selected to be featured on the national side of this coin. Part 3. The coin's design and symbolism. The 2008 20 euro cent coin from Cyprus showcases a clean, bold design. The Kyrenia ship is at the center, with the country's name written in both Greek and Turkish, Kybris, representing the island's bilingual heritage. The year 2008 is also present. The coin's reverse side, common to all euro coins, features the standard EU design, but it's the national side that makes this coin a collector's favorite. The Kyrenia ship here is more than a drawing. It's a symbol of Cyprus's identity, reminding people of its ancient maritime glory. Part 4. Coin value and numismatic market, 12 to 16. This coin was released for general circulation, but its value to collectors has been rising. If the coin is in uncirculated or mint condition, its value ranges from €1 to €5. However, coins from proof sets or special mints can go up to 10 to €20. Rare versions or error coins, such as double strikes or misprints, can fetch higher prices. In some auctions, these coins have sold for 50 to €100, depending on rarity and condition. If you find this coin in mint condition, you're holding something more than face value. You're holding a piece of living history. Part 5. Marketing, Collectors, and Tourism, 16. The Cyprus government has smartly used the Kyrenia ship in its tourism marketing. A full-size replica of the ship is on display in the Kyrenia Castle Museum, visited by thousands each year. It's a powerful attraction that connects the past to the present. Coin collectors around the world admire this coin for its design, symbolism, and historical context. On platforms like eBay and numismatic marketplaces, there is steady demand for this coin, especially the 2008 edition, since it's the first Euro year for Cyprus. Collectors often include this coin in their Eurozone collections, and it holds a special place because of the story it carries, not just its look. So friends, that was the incredible story of the 2008 Cyprus 20 euro cent coin. A coin that carries with it the soul of an ancient ship, the spirit of a proud island nation, and at the passion of coin collectors worldwide. If you own such a coin, let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, like, share, and comment. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Challenge subscribe now.